Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well guys, as you guys know, the CPI data came out this morning at 5 a.m. Eastern time, United States Eastern time. So basically the forecasted year over year CPI was 2.6 increase. But it actually came in a little bit lower. The CPI year over year increased 2.5%, so it was 0.1% lower. So that's good news. And then the month over month CPI expectation was 0.2%, and the actual month over month CPI increase was 0.2%. So that was expected. And then the core CPI. The expectations for year over year increase on core CPI was 3.2%, and the actual core CPI that came in this morning was the same. The actual core CPI year over year came in at 3.2%, so that was at par. And then now the core CPI month over month, the expected was 0.2%. Increase for a month over month core CPI, but the actual core CPI month over month came in at 0.3% increase month over month, so it's actually 0.1% more than expected. So that was more than expected, but it's pretty much the same. But overall it was good news because the CPI year over year came in at 2.5%, which is 0.1 less than expected. So this is good news for the markets, although as you already know, Bitcoin initially a couple hours, 2 to 3 hours after the news came out, it did dip as low as 55.5. Let me see, let's go to the chart here and take a look real quick. Yep, it dipped as low as 55,530 on the Coinbase chart, and then it recovered all the way up to $58,000, and now it's just it dipped down a little bit. At the time of recording, it's $50,416,000 in price. So the current price at the time of recording is $57,416. That's the current price, guys. So yeah, it did dip down as low as 55,530 a couple hours after the CPI data came out, guys. But it did recover. So not much of a dip. It just kind of dipped really quick, and then a V-shape recovered all the way up to where we are right now, guys. Like I've been saying all along, guys, I believe September is just going to be more like August. We're just going to keep going sideways, guys, until maybe next week, September 18th, they're going to announce the rate cuts, and there'll probably be a lot of volatility in those days as well. So inflation is back to levels not seen since February 2021, a significant milestone on the path back to the Federal Reserve's 2% target for inflation. But the overall data likely support only a modest interest rate cut next week. It has been a little more than 2 years since the U.S. experienced roughly 9% inflation in June 2022. But last month, the Consumer Price Index rose just 2.5% year over year. August's fall in the cost of gasoline and steady grocery prices are likely welcome news to households that are feeling the pinch on higher borrowing costs. Well, they say the inflation is going down, guys, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments how the inflation is where you live. But like when I go to the grocery store, things are still expensive, man. Even if you shop on Amazon, I don't know if Amazon's just making prices higher, but like everything's super expensive on Amazon at the grocery stores. So the important thing is that that the CPI is going down for the markets, for us crypto investors, because the lower the inflation, that means that the Fed will definitely do a rate cut coming up in September 18. but I still don't see it, true inflation going down in the real world, like in the grocery stores and Amazon, those kind of places, guys. But anyways, the cool thing is that CPI inflation was 0.1% less than expected, came in at 2.5% year over year, and I believe that the Fed is definitely going to cut in September 18 next week coming up, guys. And the thing is, are they going to cut 50% or 25%? Looks like the market, most of the most of the investors are betting at 25% basis point, and I believe the same. I believe that probably there will be only a 25 basis point cut, just because in the core CPI came in like like 0.1% more than expected month over month, guys. So yeah, guys, at least the CPI in the for the Fed is going down. Although I don't agree with the actual inflation going down at the grocery stores and shopping arenas like Amazon and those kind of places. I still see them way high, super high prices. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments, guys. Is the Federal Reserve gonna do a 25 basis point cut, or are they gonna do a 50 basis point cut in September 18 when they meet, guys? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, guys, help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Like the video and help the channel grow by subscribing to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.